Hello everyone, my name is Yunki A. Today I'll be presenting my project design and implementation of a workday outpatient management system for multi-branch family clinic. Let me start by introducing family clinics. Established in 1994, it successfully opened at two branch clinics in Yangon over its 30 years journey. Their mission is to expand its services to more part of Myanmar in future in order to demonstrate its attention to tracking accessibility of healthcare at a larger level. So, I will start by demonstrating the administrator rule. First, the user required to log in. Notice that there is no sign at button here. This is the intentional security measures because user registration is strictly limited to the admin role. Now I will fill in with the admin credential. If the username or the password is incorrect, the system will show the login field message. Now I will start with the login. If the login is successful, we will need to choose the main branch and then click on the submit button. You will see the admin dashboard here. In the admin dashboard, it shows the system overview as a today appointment and today income, today expenses at low start alert. And we can register the patient or new open OVD voucher and stop purchase or the view report by clicking here. And also we could see the graphic view of the trend, review trend for last 70. Now I will now start with the create the data first. Click the click button. It will be created successfully. Data profile can be viewed by clicking on the data today can be viewed here. Now we can add the schedule here. Now today the schedule is created successfully. We can delete the schedule, but we cannot edit the schedule. Now I will create the patient. If if the field are not selected, it will show the if message error message and the provider fee is also will be displayed like this. Now the new patient is successfully created and shown in the list. So let's start the appointment. You will need to select the doctor and the time available will be displayed here. Click on confirm. Now appointment is confirmed. So this time I will log in with the doctor room. When the new data is created, the account also created by using their name and using the double passwords like this. When we click on the sign in, it will directly go to the we have a one schedule here, and this is the patient today patient they are seeing. And this is stated that today isn't haven't complete anything yet, so the status is for nothing. The patient's list that I can see and consultation here. So we will choose the Koji. Since the Koji is appointmented, it will display as appointmented. We can choose the prescription by prescription from the medicine. And we can also click on medication. And after filling all the fee, we can click on the pre-page, pre-consultation. And the consultation will be created successfully. And doctor can see the patient profile like this. This is the appointment history and consultation history. We can view the prescription history too. So in the dashboard, it will display as schedule. In the schedule by Koji, appointment is complete and completed today is where we counted as one. And in the stated now, it will display as one. This time, I will log in with the receptionist. This is the dashboard of the receptionist, and receptionist can register the patient, can post the appointment, and also the can create the OPD contract too. So in the appointment, we can see the status is completed right now. So we will create the contract now. So select the project, and for the page for the data, we will choose the contract name, and for the calculation, we will need to switch the token here like this, and you can see the calculation that the patient took today. And click on the add or button. Calculation will be added here. So if the patient is told the services, we can choose the ECG sample and click on the add item. It will quantity is very 2 and the total amount is calculated. So for the page, we will pay the fully. And we can also choose the payment type if payment is very paid by an ERPs or KVC pay. And we can if we click the save button here, the vouchers will be created like this. And we can view the detail of the OPD voucher, and we can also delete or exit the OPD voucher. We can also feed out by the OPD voucher list by the 1 month or the 2 months. And we can also size the OPD voucher. Yes, so voucher list can also be generated as the ACL list. If you click on the ACL, the food voucher, download the ACL file. In the ACL, it will display all the voucher that within a certain date. So this is all for the receptionist rule. And now I will log in with the pharmacist rule. This is the display of the pharmacist rule. We can create a new packet type here. on the save, the packet type will be created successfully. Now I will create the stock item right now. So choose the step packet type that we created completely. Add the item name, and also we need to add the create terminal name too. And have the status button. After the status button, I click on the save. Now the stock item will be created successfully. In the main stock, now we can see the auto stock item and also the new stock alert. And right now, since the created new created stock item is not having any zero ground balance, it will just stay at the auto stock. So we will create the purchase. We will search by the name. We will search by the name and since we created the 500 milliliter, and also write the price. Let's calculate it depend on the percentage. We can increase or decrease the sale percentage too. For the quantity, we will purchase 100 quality and we will require to choose the expiry date too. So we will select the expiry date and add the click on the add button. The item will be added like this. We can delete on the item too. Now I will add again. So I will also add the another item too. Choose the expiry date. Click on the add button. The total amount is calculated automatically. We need to enter the manual voucher number. This is the manual voucher number from the supplier. So we require to choose the supplier and also payment type like cash or credit. I will go with the credit. So I will not fully pay for this one. And click on this. The purchase is created. As the stated, since the left amount is remained, the status is also credited too. You can see the item purchased. Click on this and pay the payment. We can update the payment here. So click on update. The when status will change to the paid and left amount will remain 0. This one will also filter by the date. It will display all the purchases list. You can also search. Like this. So now I will create the pharmacy voucher. So we will need to select the patient and we will find out that too. Now I will choose the item code, the packet type, and the ground balance. The price will be automatically display here. And at the quantity, and issue persons will be and for the discount, we can also add a discount. That is fine. And I will also add another packet too. Choose this one. And new quantity is true. And add the amount. For the pay amount, we can pay for all or we can also left the amount too. We click on the save. The vouchers will be created successfully and we can view this on the history. Since the voucher haven't paid the full amount, it will display in a red color. We can click on the voucher and click on the payment and update the payment here. So it will be successfully pay all the amount. And this one also can be filled out by the month and this, and also can export as file. So here we can see all the family voucher list. So we can delete the voucher and clicking on the date, and whereas the delete confirmation and click on yes, the voucher will be deleted. And we can also do the undo action here like this. So this button is for only for the credit left amount of voucher list. So now this is all for the pharmaceutical group. Now I will let you know the admin right now. Now we can see the today intent and today expenses order today. For the supplier, this is limited by the this is limited for the only admin role. Only admin can be add the supplier. So if we click on the appointment report, you can see now in April there's total 14 booking and 4 completed, and also 0 upcoming and 10 cancelled at report, and also there's a graph to the appointment Thailand M, also the record list. We can also export the exact data of the report, and this is the stock report. So this show the stock unit here, and this is such an data file, and then this is the contract report. We can see OPD income and pharmacy income, all the purchase expenses here. So we can filter by the report like this. For the branch management and user management, admin only can do this. So now I will create a new branch here. Select contact person. We need to provide the admin, primary phone, and the email address too. And another full address. Update the status. Default branch means this branch will be set as primary of the whole system. So we will test with the dashboard default and create the branch. So branch is created successfully, and this calling branch is now the default branch of the clinic. So now we click on the settings. You can see the calling here. If we click on the submit, now we can see the new branch that we created right now. So if we click on the status and edit and update them, and click on the settings, the branch will not be displayed here anymore. It will update like this. We can also click on the update branch. Now the branch will be default right now. So this time I will create a new user account. We should start with it. So and extend the capacity for management. Welcome and we're going to put the phone number. This will be the primary password. Um, so user account is created. Now I will log in with that account. So this is the end of the demonstration. So let me conclude this. This project demonstrates how a web-based operation management system can improve efficiency, reduce manual workload, and support better patient care across multiple clinics branches. I hope this system can contribute to the future of family clinics and support their missions to expand accessible healthcare services across Myanmar. Thank you for your time and attention.